Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS grid view. So we're going to see how we can use the grid view and we can design one responsive website. So in grid view we divide the 100% width of our web page into 12 columns, and the technique of grid view is very helpful in designing web pages. And also the grid view technique makes it easier to place elements on the page. Like an example, here we divided our web page into 12 columns, and also we have placed our header, and also we have the sidebar, and also main content area, and also we have the footer of our web page. So using the grid view technique we have managed to easily place all of those elements in our web page. So because we are dividing the whole 100% width of our web page into 12 columns, so each of the individual column will have 8.33% of the width. So because we are using the percentage, so if we resize the browser, then also the web page will shrink or expand. So now we're going to create one layout of the web page where we're going to have one header, and also we're going to have one sidebar and one main content area, and also we're going to have the footer of the web page. So we have all of the elements. Now we're going to place all of those elements by using the grid view. So first of all we're going to use the universal selector, and here we're going to use the box sizing property. So we're going to use box sizing border box. So the box sizing property will make sure that the padding and borders are included in the total width and height of our elements. So now because we are using the grid view technique, so we have to create 12 column classes. So we have to use the notation column 1. So the column 1 will have the width of 8.33%. Similar way we have to create one column 2. The column 2 will have the width of double the column 1, so it will have the width of 16.66%. and this way we have to create column 3, which will have the width 3 times the column 1, so it will have 25% of the width. So this way we have to create 12 column classes. So you can see we have created 12 column classes, and now also we're gonna use the attribute selector. So we're gonna select the class which is started with the string column dash. So we're gonna select that, and now we're gonna add some style. So we're gonna use the float left property, and also we're gonna add some padding of 20 pixel, and also we're gonna add some border of 1 pixel solid red. Now we have created these 12 columns. Now we can add those columns to our elements to place those elements in the web page. So because the header will take full width of the web page, so here we're gonna add the class column 12. So you can see our header is taking full width of the web page. Similar way, because the sidebar and the content area will sit side by side, so sidebar will have the class of column 3, and the main content area will have the class of column 9, and we have the footer. So footer will have the class of column 12 because it will take full width of the web page. And also we have to make sure when two elements are sitting side by side, then their class number should add up to 12. So here the sidebar is having the column 3 and the content area having the column 9, so 3 and 9 add up to 12. And because we are using the grid view technique to design the layout of the web page, so if we resize the browser window, so you can see the elements are also going to shrink and expand with the browser. So this will add the responsiveness to our web page. So this is the way we can use the concept of grid view, where we divide the full width of the web page into 12 columns, and this will help us to design one responsive web page, and also we can easily place elements on the web page. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.